Today we will learn about the complete life cycle of a star. A nebula is a state when a star is in the first stage of its creation. That is, it has not yet become a star. A nebula is a cloud made up of dust, hydrogen, helium, etc. in space. This nebula may have spread for several light years. This time, when the nebula's own particles are bound together by the force of gravity to form a huge mass but do not fully improve, it is called protostar. This is the second stage of star formation. This protostar contain huge reserves of hydrogen and helium gas, which subsequently start nuclear fusion, and from two consecutive hydrogen molecules made one helium molecule at a time, and the rate of nuclear fusion continues to accelerate. This is a youth star that is very energetic. It is called main sequence star. In the next step, when all the hydrogen in the main sequence star is gone, the star turns into the red giant. Its lifespan depends on their color and size, as our sun is a medium star. A star larger than the sun runs out of fuel very quickly, so its lifespan is relatively short, but a star smaller than the sun runs out of fuel slowly, resulting in a longer lifespan. The blue star runs out of fuel very quickly, so its lifespan is short, and the red star runs out of fuel very slowly, so its lifespan is long. The lifespan of the red giant is shorter than the lifespan of the main sequence star, so the red giant moves very quickly to the next step. After depleted helium of the red giant, the carbon atoms are converted into different elements one by one, and the lifespan of a star ends when it is finally converted to iron. Although the size of the star depends on what it will transform after the red giant. When a star is size like our sun, it turns into a white dwarf. In this case, all the energy of the star will be converted into a nebula. In addition, 50 to 90% of the mass will be compressed and stored in one place, which is about the size of the Earth, but its density is very high, such as the mass of 1 teaspoon is equal to the mass of 20 to 30 elephants. If the size of the star is much larger than our sun, it will transform into a supernova. This causes energy to be released very quickly and a nuclear explosion to take place. After a nuclear explosion in a supernova, all its mass is concentrated at one point and it becomes more dense, called a neutron star. Its radius is 19 to 20 kilometers. If a red giant is 20 to 30 times the size of our sun, it will be transforming from a supernova to a black hole by nuclear explosion. This was the entire lifetime of a star. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel.